My name's Mike. I'm from SkipperBud's here today in our Pewaukee store, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Harris 250 Sunliner Sport with a Mercury 300 on the back. As we're making our way back here through the boat, you see the distinguished interior of the Sunliner with the diamond stitch and also your armrests. This boat does also feature charging ports in both of the cup holders so that you can charge your cell phone. It's just a matter of who in the boat gets to control the Bluetooth audio from the stereo. This boat features a portable cup holder, so you can kind of move it around for additional cup holder space. We call it the Wisconsin edition because we need as many cup holders as possible. As we kind of work our way back through the boat towards the helm, this boat does feature a wireless charging pad for your phone. It does also have the plug-ins for your phone as well. Outside of that, it has a SIMRAD multi-display, so it's going to have your depth, your engine data, as well as navigation on it as well. As I mentioned before, this specific boat has a 300 horsepower V8 Mercury outboard. More than enough tower power for this boat. It is a 25-foot boat, it's a big boat, but the 300 horsepower is more than enough and very, very capable and very, very quiet. If you see as well, this boat does feature digital throttle shift. Very, very silky smooth shifting, so you don't get the clunk the mechanical does. And there is a docking mode as well that you can limit the RPMs in your adjustments. Great feature here on a 2022 as well. As you notice, it's called a chase and flip up table. There's storage underneath, but now if you're serving, if you have some snacks, you actually have a very, very nice table that you can use, and otherwise it just folds down to flat. What you don't see in this boat, there is also a table that's removable. We don't install it until the day of delivery for you. Just some people want it in the front, some people want it in the back. This Sport, one of the features of the Sport version of this boat is the tower. Perfect for water sports, great aggressive look as well. It does also offer the benefit of being able to wakeboard with some lift as well. So very, very nice look to it, gives it a luxurious feel for a much more expensive pontoon than it actually is. Great option with this boat. Last but not least, the single lounge in this boat, extremely versatile. There's 3 different locations for this lounger. Currently it's back. It can go forward, so you can lean back and watch everybody playing in the water. Or if everybody's a little tired and it's nap time, you can pop it and you can pull flat. So it just becomes a giant bed for everybody to lay down on. So we work our way back to the nice large swim platform back here. It's very, very nice. A ton of room for kids to jump off. It's not very cluttered. You see here, you have your fender caddies, so that you don't have to pull the fenders back into the boat and into your storage compartments getting them wet, where they store very, very nicely back here. This boat does also feature a plug-in to charge the battery as well if you have power at your dock. Last but certainly not least, you have wet storage. So if you have a cooler, instead of having your soft-sided cooler or your giant igloo cooler, there's actually some in the boat. You can put icing and it'll drain out through the bilge. If you have any questions, appreciate you come in and take a look for yourself. It's a phenomenal boat that's sitting here clean on our showroom floor. Thanks for the opportunity.